In this video, I'm going to look at knots for ligating a pedicle. The first one, which is a friction knot, is the miller's knot. Pass the suture material underneath your blood vessel. Give yourself enough working length. That's what I just adjusted. And then do a second pass. Between my thumb and forefinger, I'm going to hold all that suture material in place and place my instrument in between the two lines of suture material that are showing up. And then I will grab the short end and pull tight. The miller's knot is a really nice friction knot to do. Now we're going to look at another knot. This is the modified miller's knot. Same beginning. Place your suture material underneath your blood vessel, cross over your finger and do a second loop. Cross over your finger and hold everything between your thumb and forefinger. Now you're going underneath both strands that you originally took around the vessel and pull tight. Of course, you're going to then put a second throw, just a plain ordinary second throw, a third throw, and a fourth throw, just like you would with any suturing. And you would have done that with the miller's knot as well. I really like the modified miller's knot because it's so easy. Now, the surgeon's throw is commonly used because it's really easy, and I do use it a fair bit, although I prefer the miller's knot. So you go around, you do one throw, and then you're going to do a second throw. So you've immediately just doubled your throws, and you pull really tight. And that offers enough friction for you to get in your second throw, then your third, and then your fourth throw. The surgeon's knot is not my preferred knot. Because of that double throw at the beginning, followed then by a single throw, the knot doesn't lock as well as a square knot